Every bar of soap begins its journey here, in nature's own fields.
Raw oils and natural extracts are carefully selected for the finest quality.
These raw treasures now travel to a world-class production facility.
Raw oils are received and prepared for their transformation. Advanced filtration removes every impurity, leaving pure natural oil.
Precise measurements ensure the perfect balance in every batch.
Powerful mixers blend the ingredients into a smooth, creamy base.
Skilled technicians monitor every stage with precision technology. The soap base now flows steadily toward the shaping stage.
The soap paste is shaped into long, smooth, continuous bars.
Precision blades cut each bar to the exact same perfect size.
Each bar receives its signature stamp, a mark of quality. Careful hands inspect every bar for flawless quality. Natural fragrances are gently infused into each bar. Delicate detailing gives every bar its elegant finish. The bars rest and cure, developing their final texture. Gentle polishing brings out a smooth, glossy shine.
Every bar passes a final check before moving forward.
Sleek packaging gives each bar its luxurious presentation.
Each box is carefully filled and prepared for shipping. Sealed and labeled, the boxes are ready for the world. From the factory floor, these bars begin their journey to shelves.
This is more than soap. It's a moment of everyday luxury.